Hey everyone, what's up? So it's been several months since I last uploaded anything to YouTube. I did have a lot of what I thought decent material ready for a new video, like another list on the gains and costs of like headers or exhausts. I had a couple different videos like that kind of planned out, and then I guess life kind of happens and ends. I got like some stuff in the corner here on that shelf, but basically almost like immediately after my last YouTube video was uploaded, just a few days after. That's my brother Derek. He was actually just attacked and killed walking home from our dad's place. There's not too much to say, but like the court case is ongoing. A suspect turned himself in like 3 days after the attack. And I, like, the case is ongoing, or I, kind of spill the beans on more details. So, yeah, so that's still, close to the heart, because that was November 19th, just last year. And, my family's, been mourning ever since. But, I'd still like to carry on with, my channel here on YouTube, uploading regularly. So this is like my, first attempt at, a new upload since that incident. A lot has happened in the past several months, probably enough for several, like if I was a vlogger, there'd be like enough material here for a dozen episodes. But, I don't want to end up with like this hour-long video that only gets like 4 views or something. I want a shorter video that more people enjoy. So here's a couple clips of the most recent Caffeine and Octane that we attended to. Here we have my favorite car to meet is this Ferrari. I just do a quicker walk around of it here. This is the most entertaining vehicle that I saw at the Caffeine and Octane. It is just this Jurassic Park themed Jeep. And I do a quick walkthrough here.
Love it. Love it. It says Jurassic Wrangler.
My 350Z, I had my track day at Road Atlanta in March. I wasn't totally sure how it would do because it was kind of fresh off the rebuild. And, it did fine right up until the moment it wasn't. But here's a quick clip explaining why.
Now there's some quality weight reduction. If you do happen to install a new ECU wiring harness, take extra care that it doesn't come into direct contact with your exhaust header, or you're going to be in for a shortened track day.
There's a few clips of me on track, but this one is probably my favorite. My wife filmed this. She was up front between turns 12 and 1. There's like bleachers there where you can spectate from the stands there. There's also a clip here We were just like chilling up between sessions, and I filmed this from the stands. Not totally sure why I filmed this one, but this is a Porsche that, I think it had just come off the dyno or something, and I just loved how it sounded, so I grabbed a quick video of it before it left. For no particular reason at all, I was out driving the 350Z prior to the track event. Here's a quick spirited drive, just showing how hard it pulls in second gear. It's a 6-speed manual, so I was holding the phone in one hand and just let it, you know, it was like phone in one hand, steering wheel in the other, gas, put it all down to to drive safely again. It's not often where I get a chance to go to the middle of the track at Orlando, because usually I'm on track and I'm trying to get hydrated between sessions, or I've just got like like a classroom session with NASA. You got to attend class and they give you your ticket so you can get back out on track. So we went out onto Spectator Hill, and this is probably my favorite clip of the day, at least that I'd filmed from Spectator Hill. This is the Spec Miata group kind of whipping by. It's something to see. Like, if you can get out there to see it, I really recommend watching it just as a spectator. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. We went on a family vacation to Santa Rosa Beach in Florida. Seemed there was like a Sahara dust storm that had come in. It had cooled everything right down. So we had a great time. It wasn't nearly as hot as I thought it would be. There was like a pretty nasty storm, like tropical storm Claudette was rolling in on our final days there. Here's just a clip of of our view from the beach house.
Water was looking a lot rougher this morning, but like where that island bit is right there, there was like tents there yesterday and the storm rolled in. But I could sit here watching this all day.
I'm not sure how this one ended up getting towards the end of my list here, but at Caffeine and Octane, we were actually on our way out of the show when this kind of two-step rev battle kind of erupted between like some bike and a 350Z. And it's like, really, like, it's a naturally aspirated 350Z. Like, well, any rev battle is kind of dumb and pointless, but like, I prefer the saying, like, a lion will never tell you it's a lion. Author unknown. Now I'll just leave it at that, but here's the clip.